In this video, I'm going to show you how to join an admin server in Steal A Brainrot on Roblox. This is the legit way to get into an admin server so you can try admin commands safely. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is head on over to roblox.com and sign into your account. From here, do a search for Steal A Brainrot and hit enter. Now you want to go ahead and click on the game. So click on Steal A Brainrot. Now from here, click onto where it says servers on the right tab here. So you're going to see a list of servers that are currently running. Now, if you have friends who already have admin access or a private server, you see them listed right here under the top under friend servers. If they have a private admin server open, you can simply click join to enter their admin server. Now, another way is to sort the public servers. Click on the extending option to see different server lists. If you recognize an admin username or avatar, you can click join on their server. If they're an admin, you'll now be inside an admin server. That's it to it. I hope this helped you out. If it did, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe.